Regular polygons are shapes with equal sides and angles. Here are some examples of some regular polygons. We have equilateral triangle, a square, regular pentagon, and a regular hexagon. If we focus on a regular hexagon for a minute, what I'm drawing now are the interior angles because they are inside the hexagon. On the outside here, we have the exterior angles. You can also have irregular polygons where the interior angles are different, the side lengths are different, and the exterior angles are all different. Now, we're going to look at some relationships to do with sums of angles. For both regular and irregular polygons, you can work out what the interior angles and exterior angles will add up to. If we start with interior angles, let's see if we can work out the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon. And the trick is to look at how many triangles you could divide the interior into. So if I join up these two corners, and then I keep drawing lines off that corner on the side, we end up with 4 triangles. And if we notice, we can draw all of the angles inside the hexagon and they meet exactly with the angles in the triangles. So whatever the angles in these triangles all add up to altogether will be the same as whatever the angles in the hexagon add up to. Now there's 4 lots of 180 because angles in a triangle add up to 180. So to work out what the angles in the hexagon add up to, we just do 4 times 180, which is 720. So we know that the angles in a regular hexagon add up to 720. So if we have a regular hexagon, which has 6 equal angles on the inside, to work out what one of those interior angles is, we just need to do 720 divided by 6, which we should know because 6 into 72 goes 12, that's going to be 120. So we can say that a regular hexagon has interior angle 120 degrees. In general, the sum of the interior angles for an n-sided polygon is n minus 2 times 180. Value of one interior angle for a regular n-sided polygon is just going to be this divided by n. Have a go at completing the table and then have a go at questions B and C. Pause the video now, have a go, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. So we should notice that a triangle, we know that adds up to 180, the angles inside. Quadrilateral 360, it's really important to remember those. Pentagon 540, hexagon 720. I would say it's important to learn those. And then after that, you don't really need to remember them. For a dodecagon, which is a 12-sided polygon, this has sum of interior angles 1800 degrees. So to work out what one of the interior angles is, we just divide this by 12 because we know that there are 12 of them, giving us 150 degrees.